I've been waiting. I've been expecting you guys. Come on in. Today we are going to be making rippled cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Let's get started. Step 2. Take off my hat. Okay. Next, you're going to be melting chocolate, and you're going to be using a double boiled technique. Make sure to ask your parents' help. Start to pour in the water. Make sure to go slow because you don't want to burn yourself. I think you should probably ask your parents for this help. Let's put on this second pot and put it carefully over this. Just like that. Then put the chocolate in. Wait till it melts. While that is dry, well, whatever it's doing, let's add in our other ingredients. Flour. And more flour. Baking powder, I guess. And salt. Yummy salt. Well, actually not really. I don't like salt, but it's for baking. Time to mix. Mixing time. Let's put this aside. Goodbye, little bowl. Now we'll beat the eggs up to nice and crispy. Joking, not really. Now that I'm done with this, moving on. We're gonna mix sugar and shortening into a bowl. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Okay, moving on. Well, actually, oh my gosh, I forgot to mix. How silly am I? I'm weird now. It's time to put the ingredients together. Well, actually, the bowls together, but, well, actually not the bowls, but the stuff. We'll say stuff. You mix some with the magic mixer. Ooh, oh, that's chunky. Chunky monkey. Okay, time to mix. Okay, there we go. I have no idea if you can hear me, but I have to add a teaspoon of vanilla, so let's do it. Very careful. I just real upset. Okay, let's check our chocolate. Does this look done? Yeah, this is pretty much done. Right, guys? Okay, time to swirl. I'm gonna make a cool sign. Oh, look at that. Technique. It is called technique. Scoop-dee poop. Poop-dee-dee scoop scoop. Sorry, that song is stuck in my head. Look at this, guys. It honestly does look like a little bit of disgusting stuff, but it's alright. It's alright. Make sure that you don't mix the whole thing in, because then it's gonna not be correct, and then you're gonna ruin your cookies or whatever it will be. I forgot. Sorry. Wash my hands because I licked my fingers. Now it's time to add scoops. So you're gonna go like this. 1. It takes a while to get off. 2. 3. Come off, you little sticky thingy. And I'll see you guys when we have it. It's time to put these in the oven. Okay. Ask for your parents' help, because it may get a little hot in here. So, wait, I need my gloves. Hold on. Well, time to get the gloves too. Love number 1, love number 2. Clap, clap, clap. I can't talk today. Honestly, I can't talk. Where is that phone? Oh, here it is. I found it. Now it's time to add the cookies. Cookie there. It's getting hot, just like me. Set the timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was fast enough. Oh, these look delicious. But before I show you guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment what I should bake next. Well, actually, don't comment what I'm gonna bake next because I always pick. But anyways, let's see. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe, please. Oh, do you guys see this? Okay, now we have to let it cool. Cool, just like me, 'cause I'm cool. We are going to take these to a party. Wink, wink. These cookies smell so good. Let's take them to the party. We're here at my friend's house about to taste cookies. Wait.